Hi everyone, this video is especially for you, Debbie. Debbie is new to soap making, and she's got a great site called Delish Bath Treats. It's on folksy.co.uk, and alongside her gorgeous stuff she's selling some of my products as well. Actually that's how I started, just making a few soaps of my own and buying what I thought were great ones from other people, just to make it look like I had a good flash, because honestly the more you have the more you sell. So these are your Apple Jacks on the end. These ones smell of Kenzo. I know you describe them as white on the bottom, blue on the top. It's actually white and purple. Everybody thinks it's blue. These are the pomegranate here. Sorry, those ones smell of the Kenzo flowers. We've got pomegranate noir on the end here. Down on the bottom, these pink on the end smell of Chanel, as do these ones. These are my favourite. I absolutely love them. They've got lots of gold glitter on. Then down here, I think this is either, yeah, it's raspberry. I thought it was bubblegum. And then on the end here we have raspberry as well, with those cute little cutout butterflies. You'll notice that I've put some sprinkles into the fairy dust massage bars, and of course I will wrap those for you, Debbie. So that's it, that's your video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to tune in with Debbie at Folksy, and I'm hoping that she is going to start a YouTube channel as well. I think she's got a YouTube channel, but she hasn't got any videos yet. So see you all next time. It's pretty miserable here in Keswick. Lots of nice rain for the October break, but it's very, very busy at the moment. So there you go. See you soon.